Man, we cannot believe that we always get grounded. What should we do? How about we are going to install Go Dolliz OS on Vlad Slacker 2004's computer? Right, Hellen? That is a great plan, Neo. So let's do it anyways. Ha 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 ha. Vlad will be mad.
Meanwhile, with Vlad the Slacker 2004,
I am going to my computer to create more characters in Viand. Wait, what the heck is this? I am going to put it on full screen for everyone to see.
Hello, I am Sophie from Go Dolliz, and welcome to Go Dolliz OS.
How about shut up, you girl that always begs people to dress you up?
Excuse me, I can beg people to dress me up whenever I want.
I don't care and mind your own business, so I am going to open Google Chrome. Wait, what? Why is the website named Google instead of Google?
Because I can name the website whatever I want.
Okay, I am going to search for Viand.com.
You've been trolled, yes, you've probably been told. Don't reply to this guy, he's just trying to get a rise out of you. Yes, it's true, you respond and that's his cue to start trouble on the double while he strokes his manly stubble. You've been trolled, you should probably just fold when the only winning move is not to play. And yet you keep on trying, mindlessly replying. You've been trolled, have a nice day.
Ha ha ha. Do you think so that you are allowed to have an access to a website that is not Go Dolliz? Absolutely not.
Shut the f*** up! It's not funny! And I wish that I used Windows 10 instead of this crap! So stop right now! It's not hilarious!
It is hilarious! And mind your own business!
Ugh, fine. I am going to try the paint up to see how it looks. How the heck is that even fair? I am only allowed to paint with 4 colors. Give me more colors right now!
Nah, 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 nah. You are only allowed to paint with 4 colors. Ha!
Shut the f*** up with your laughing. This is not funny anymore. This is now disturbing. And give me more colors right now. And if you don't, I will say that this operating system sucks. And I will say that this is not funny anymore. You're just finding that hilarious. And I wish that this operating system gets removed forever. And forever. And I will never see that operating system ever again.
No.
I am going to play some games because I am bored. Ugh, I don't want to play Go Dolliz. Instead, I am going to play Super Mario Galaxy.
Every 100 years, a comet appears in the skies above the Mushroom Kingdom. The comet was so large one year, it filled the skies and sent countless shooting stars raining down. Toads brought the shooting stars to the castle where they became a great power star. It should have been a very happy time for the citizens of the Mushroom Kingdom. No, then an economic recession hit in, because the economy was flooded with power stars. The shit real fast.
You are an idiot! You are an idiot!
This is so funny kicking you out of the games. Because you are playing games that are not Go Dolliz.
You have to shut up. Because nobody gives a crap about you. Because you always kick me out of the games that I want to play. You are so stupid. How about let's turn on Instagram to see what happens? Ugh, seriously? Fine, I will open the gallery to see what photos are here.
Oh no. It seems that your computer has got a red screen of dead. Your bit is restarting.
No, not again. And how did this even happen in the first place? Fine, that means that I have to open Facebook. Oh, this post is very nice. And I am going to react to this post. And I am going to press react. Wait, what? Why can I only react to angry emojis?
Because this post is not Go Dolliz.
Who cares? You know what? I am leaving this site. Fine. And after all, I am going to enter Pinterest. Because Pinterest is the last app that I can only enter. What the heck is wrong with this site? Why are there only posts of Go Dolliz?
Because I can do whatever I want.
Fine, I am going to delete this operating system.
Haha! You will never delete this operating system.
I guess that I have to be stuck with this operating system forever, and I'm going to settings. Finally, I can now go back to Windows 10.
Oh no. What is happening to our operating system? I should have updated the settings before. Now it's too late. Ah!
You have reinstalled Windows 10. Now go play on your Windows 10 how much you want.
Finally! Now I can use all of the original features. Now let's check the cameras to see who really did install Go Dolliz operating system on my computer. Let's check who really did.
That is a great plan, Neo. So let's do it anyways. Ha. Vlad will be mad.
Now let's change the hard drive. Ha.
Yeah, so it was Sprunky OC Hellen and Yes Neo. I must call their parents to tell them what they actually did.
After Bled called Spronte, Hellen, and Yesnu as parents.
Oh no, we peed ourselves.
That is absolutely correct. You deserve it for installing Go Dolliz operating system on Vlad's computer. Agreed with Olivia. Me too, Penelope.
Me 3, Rebecca.
It's game over for us. We are getting grounded soon.
Meanwhile, with Sprumpy Hellen.
Oh my god. Eileen, what is wrong with you? Why did you install Go Dolliz operating system on Vlad's computer? But luckily, he was still able to get his data back.
We are taking your devices away because of what you did, you stupid. You are grounded until you learn your lesson. You are not going to hang out with your friend like Gwen, Kate, and Faye, Neo Bake, also known as Yes Neo, Coco, Lobby, Kyle Gaunt, Go Dolliz Mia, Go Dolliz Sophie, and more people that are troublemakers. Go to your room now.
You never let me do what I want.
You never let me do what I want. You never let me do what I want. Let me do what I want. Let me. Let me. Let me do what I want.
Meanwhile, with his new.
Oh my god. Yes, Neo, how dare you install Go Dolliz operating system on Vlad's computer. But luckily, he managed to get his data back. For this, you are grounded until Father's Day. Now go to your room.
I hate you, Mom, because you always ground me. Stop grounding me, or I will keep throwing a tantrum. You and my father always ground me for stupid reasons.
Neo, you need to stop right now. We don't want to hear this comment ever again.